This is actually a Firefox add-on called Dedalium, and I do want to try this. This looks kind of cool. It says turn the entire web into an RPG game. Put that in the show notes real quick.
That's interesting.
Yeah, and it's not. It's an add-on for Firefox. Let's see. It says. Trying to copy paste there.
Dedalium.
Anyway, it says you might be scrolling through your morning news, checking email, or any other routine online moment when you suddenly notice a small winged beast slowly glide across the screen. It's a challenge, a chance to earn more crystals, a fight to the finish should you choose to accept a duel. Since you're not super busy and battles only take a few seconds and you sure could use more crystals to upgrade your gear, you click the angry creature and next thing you know, your network guardian, quote-unquote avatar and opponent appear on floating battle stations, exchanging blows. It's a close contest, but soon your nemesis succumbs to the injuries. The thrill of victory is fleeting, though. Got to get back to those emails. So it's kind of a browser game, but it's not because it's just an add-on for Firefox. But it looks kind of neat. You might want to check that out if you're looking for a new add-on. That's a game, I guess.
Yeah.
There you go.
I mean, what the hell? I'll look at it.
Yeah. And then the next one is this one looks pretty cool. It's called open source. It's called Thrive.
I think you put the same link twice.
Yeah, I was trying to put the name of it in there, but
Sorry.
fucked up. You can change that real quick. Let's see.
No, you fuck up? Never.
Thrive is an open source evolution sim that adds day-night cycle, endosymbiosis, toxin customization. Basically, it looks like what was the one that was real big, where you start as a single cell and eventually evolve into monsters and stuff. Well, it was made by the Sims creator, I think, the original Sims creator, and it was. I don't know if it actually turned out to be anything worth a damn, but
I don't know if
anyway.
you put the same Dedalium spot.
No, I put a new link in there called Thrive.
I see Thrive, but the link underneath is exactly the same as the one above it.
Oh, it is.
Is this the Revolutionary Game Studio?
Okay.
Thrive's free open source game about the evolution of life.
I don't know what's going on. I don't know if my control key's not working or what.
Man, you're not charging. Your keyboard's not working.
No,
there we
are. Okay, it's there now. So if you were in, you guys know Spore. That's what it was called. Remember Spore?
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I remember hearing that. I never played it, but yeah.
Yeah, it looks kind of similar to Spore, except it's open source and has native Linux support. Let me get the title of this one. Dedalium. Okay. And then there's one more game that looks kind of cool. I haven't tried any of these. I will try the Firefox one. Heroes of Loot Gauntlet of Power. And this does look cool. Put it right below Thrive. It says the main point of this is it uses a very unique weapon called the Gauntlet of Power. And so it's kind of a dungeon crawler, action RPG, real-time dungeon crawler. If you've played The Binding of Isaac, you'll kind of be familiar with this. But the Gauntlet is your weapon. It's many different weapons in one. It has 8 slots, one for each direction you can fire in. When you pick your starting character, character, you get an initial weapon on one direction slot. As you take down enemies and level up, you get to pick a new weapon to stick into one of those slots to then fire that weapon automatically in that direction. So it sounds like you position your character at a certain angle to fire that weapon wherever it's located on the slots in your gauntlet. So this is also a native Linux game. Heroes of Loot, Gauntlet of Power. Thought that looked kind of cool.
Cool.
Nice.
You didn't do the Linux Gamecast music though.
I know my computer. I'm having technical difficulties, so I don't have Bloodbot. I don't have music. I'm very verklempt right now.